In this video, I will be sharing how I made this terrarium. Make sure to stick around until the end to see my unique graphic that shows all the layers necessary to build your own terrarium.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another NysArt Terrarium Build.
The other day, I was out doing some biking, fishing, building a lean-to, and I decided to stop for a bit to make a native terrarium using the resources around me. This build ended up being really fun, so I decided to put this video together to share with you. Let me know what you think in the comments. Now let's get started. I began by gathering the materials needed for my false bottom. I quickly found a spot that had lots of small rocks, so I gathered a few small handfuls. At this point, I looked for the best possible dirt mixture. What I found was some dirt packed with lots of dead leaves and roots for lots of nutrients for my soil. Next, I took a moment to find a unique piece of wood that would later be used as a centerpiece for my terrarium. Now, I gathered some wood to go on top of the soil. Finally, I set off for the most fun part, gathering the life of the terrarium. I started by gathering some small plants. After looking in a few different spots, I was able to find some great plants that would complement my other sediments really well. First, I poured the small rocks into my jar. Afterwards, I scooped in my rich soil, which I will speed up because it took me a few minutes. Once my soil was in the container, I moved the sides up or down to sculpt a more interesting terrain. Lastly, I configured all of my plants in my terrarium using my spoon to cover the roots. I started by placing my biggest plant and worked my way down to my smallest. I now added in a few extra wood pieces to cover the ground. Thank you so much for watching until this point. Now here's my graphic that I made for you to use to create your own terrariums. If you want to see more terrarium builds in the future, make sure to leave a thumbs up. To see more videos on terrarium builds, DIYs, and art projects, be sure to subscribe down below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to catch you next time on NysArt.